Hi guys, in this playlist we are going to design a simple notes application in Flutter. So first let's try to see how our application will look. So this is the first entry point where we need to enter our credential and get logged into our application. And if suppose user doesn't have an existing account, then he need to sign up where he can enter his email and password and get her account or his account created into the database. So I had an existing account, then I will simply log in. After the successful authentication, I will be redirected to the home screen where all the notes that are created by me will be displayed. So we will be able to create a new note and also we'll be able to edit the existing note. Let's try one by one. So I'll create a new note as Monday. Then I need to click on this save option. Yeah, you can see the Monday note has appeared here. And if I want to edit it, then I need to click on this. I will save and yeah, it will be saved. So in this way, we are going to design our application. It will have a sign out option where it will log out from our current login instance. For backend, I had used Firebase, which provides authentication as well as database for storing our notes. So we can see the notes that are created by us will be stored here in the form of documents and we are going to fetch it. And all this thing will be in real time, so we don't need to reload the application after each successful transaction. We'll post videos regularly so that we'll be able to design this application step by step. So subscribe to my channel for getting regular updates. Thank you. See you in next video.